Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a treadmill showdown for you. On the left, we have the How High Walking Pad Treadmill, and on the right, we have the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill. Get ready for some serious comparisons, jokes, and of course, a lot of fun. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's talk about the price. The How High Walking Pad Treadmill comes in at a cool $229, while the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill is priced at $369. Now that's quite a difference. It's like choosing between a fancy coffee machine or a month's supply of coffee beans. But hey, we're here to find out which one gives you the best bang for your buck, so let's move on. Now let's talk about the features. The How High Walking Pad Treadmill comes with a foldable armrest, making it super flexible and safe for your workouts. Plus, it has a 2.5 HP motor that supports speeds from 0.6 to 6.2 miles per hour. That's perfect for walking, jogging, or even running if you're feeling adventurous. On the other hand, the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill boasts a powerful brushless motor with a max 3.0 HP. It's like having a cheetah on a treadmill. It also has built-in handrail heart sensors to keep track of your pulse rate and 3 different manual incline positions to challenge your leg muscles. Talk about taking your workout to new heights. Convenience is key, my friends. The How High Walking Pad Treadmill has a data reservation function that remembers your workout information, so you can take a water break without losing track of your progress. It's like having a personal assistant that never forgets. But wait, the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill has something up its sleeve too. It features a hydraulic system for safe and hands-free unfolding. No more scuffing your floors or struggling to set it up. Plus, it has built-in transportation wheels for effortless movement and storage. It's like having your own personal treadmill chauffeur. Now let's talk about peace of mind. The How High Walking Pad Treadmill comes with a 2-year service support, ensuring that you're covered if anything goes wrong. That's like having a treadmill guardian angel watching over you. But hold your horses, because the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill takes it a step further. It offers a whopping 5-year warranty for the frame and a 1-year warranty for parts. That's like having a treadmill that's ready to commit for the long haul. The How High Walking Pad Treadmill is loved for its affordability, ease of use, and compact size. Users have reported weight loss and muscle soreness benefits after regular use. On the other hand, the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill is praised for its powerful performance, space-saving design, and durability. Both treadmills have their own unique features and advantages, so it's all about finding the perfect fit for you. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the How High Walking Pad Treadmill and the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill in various categories. Now it's time for you to decide which one suits your needs and budget. Remember, both treadmills have their own unique features and advantages. It's all about finding the perfect fit for you. Thanks for joining us on Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying tips. Stay smart, stay savvy, and we'll see you next time.